Okay, this is a different camera. I got a thing from Amazon saying the cheaper one with the mic in it was on sale for 25 quid, so I bought it. Can't turn it down for that price. Anyway, a bit different today, down in Leigh. Meeting up with a couple of guys and we're going to have some dinner. Anyway, this is Leigh on Sea. I'm sure I videoed here before a long time ago. I'm convinced I am. I can't see much down there. They do lovely shellfish in there though. Really nice shellfish from there Saturday. It'll take me a few minutes just now to get this thing started because I couldn't work out how to do it. Because it's slightly different to the other one. Same make. This one takes a mic, which is handy. Not using that at the moment. Just thought I'd try it out. Still 4K. It's still a Wolfgang. Should have videoed the unboxing this morning, but it's all done on a bit of a rush. Amazon actually arrived early. Normally don't get Amazon till the evening, but they was there at 8 o'clock this morning. Looks like I'm not the only one vlogging. Too many people doing it these days. This one hasn't got zoom on, unlike the other one. Mind you, the other one was quite a few prices more, quite a few pounds more. I had to clear out yesterday of all the old camera stuff, including the original action cams that I first used. They'll go out to the Philippines. I had a beautiful view. I stay for fishing actually. Blimey, a lot of trains going through this morning. That's two after the one I just got off of. Mrs. Osborne's here, made famous by the fact that they was part of the Dunkirk evacuation, and there was 3 brothers, if my memory serves me correctly, and one couldn't go out because he wasn't well. Lovely shellfish. Yeah, he wasn't well, so he stayed behind, and the other 2 both got killed. Otherwise, the whole family would have been wiped out. XC90, like mine. Just had 2 new tyres put on mine. Here's the destination, the Peterboat. Oh look, all Frenchy. It's a different colour. Unusual colour. This is where we're going to eat. Coast Guard. Hello, young man. Okay, so we'll get our dinner now in the Peterboat. John's got sea bass.
Got pork belly.
Graham's got pork belly. And I have chowder. Cockle chowder, which is lovely. So this is a view of the Peterboat. As you can see, we're at a conservatory. It's really nice. So any of you locals want to come here, I highly recommend the Peterboat. The food is gorgeous. Not cheap, but gorgeous. Okay, so we're in the Naval Military Club now. Since the last time I videoed in here, been a few changes. We are now the front bar, as you can see from through the window. Tide's out now. This is now the Royal Artillery bar. So this is now our bar as such. Sort of come round. They've just changed their brewery here now. And there's the boss, the main man. So we'll walk through now to the main part. I will go silent now because of the music. Okay, so I'm away from the music now, so I can start talking again. So that would have been a little bit of silence there. So outside the front. Our flag's up there, but it's a bit cold around the pole. I think you need to sort that one out. As I say, the tide is out now. Thames Estuary from a different angle to what you've seen it before. Southend on Say. Okay, I'll catch you again in a sec. Right, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Sorry it's only a short one, but basically it was just to try out the new Wolfgang camera. And as I said in the video, apologies for the shaking of the camera, but I forgot to put the anti-shake on. I shall do that in a minute actually. I will put a picture of the camera up now. Also, like I said in the video, I highly recommend the Peterboat. It is really, really nice. And I only recommend restaurants that I like. So I don't just recommend them. No one's paying me, no one's sponsoring me. Unfortunately, I wish somebody would. But I don't think I have enough viewers yet, let alone subscribers. But anyway, I'm still doing the videos because I enjoy doing them. And I've just spent more money on bloody cameras. I don't know why I do it. Really, I don't. But as I say, and it was a quick little tour around the Navy and Military Club in Southend. Again, I've said this a million one times. I really do recommend that club. Get down there, especially if you're a veteran. It's like stepping back into a NAFI or a sergeant's mess or officer's mess or wherever other mess you want to make. But it is good in there, and Steve that runs it, he's doing a good job, that bloke. And the scran in there is not bad either. At lunchtimes, it's not open Tuesdays and Thursdays, but the rest of the week it's open. Spend a lot of time in there when I'm down in Southend. That's it for this video. Not sure when the next video is going to be. It all depends if I do anything. But whenever it is, I'll see you in that video. Usual stuff, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It does help the algorithms. I know nobody says this, but it really does. YouTube, when you've got loads of hits on the video, especially with thumbs up and everything else, they push it more. And the only way I'm going to get more people is by more people watching. Share this video if you feel like it. I doubt if you will. I don't think anybody ever shares my videos. Anyway, once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.